The mother of a shooting victim goes to 36th District Court to pay a parking ticket, but then decides to check the status of the case against the man who allegedly shot her daughter.
Just to find out the suspect's next court date and found out that he was out on bond.
The family upset and wondering why they weren't notified. But even more concerning for this mom is how the bond got reduced.
He had a redetermination bond hearing, and that his bond was lowered significantly from the first bond hearing, and he posted it last Friday.
Torian Hudson's initial bond was $1 million before being lowered to a $250,000 cash or surety bond. It comes as the victim, 19-year-old Kyla, remains hospitalized after she was shot at this Detroit gas station on Livernois, December 21st. Officials say the victim had a verbal altercation with the defendant, who allegedly produced a handgun, got into her car, took her necklace, and then shot her before getting away. Police later found the suspect, who has a criminal history, with the help of a helicopter. But as Kyla continues to have surgical procedures, the most recent one this week,
she has had 4 major lung surgeries.
This mom decided to question the judge, Larry Williams, who reduced the bond.
He just said that based off his mental illness, I guess that was his determining factor.
Fox 2 reached out to the prosecutor's office and Judge Larry Williams at 36th District for answers. We are still waiting to hear from the judge, but the prosecutor's office says this case illustrates why the recent 36th District Court bond determination hearings are flawed and serious felony cases. The prosecutor's statement also reads in part, WCPO will be filing an emergency bond motion in this matter. When the bond was lowered, WCPO objected to it on the record. It is even more concerning that there was only a no contact provision for the safety of the victim that was ordered by the court. At the very least, a GPS tether is needed and an order for house arrest.
My daughter is fighting. She was clinging for life, and he's free. It's no excuse. It's no excuse.
In Detroit, Ingrid Kelly, Fox 2 News.